Okay, everyone, let's take a look now at the graphic organizing and outlining application activity. The first paragraph here is the introduction into the actual essay itself. It sets the stage. There's a lot of information in it, far more information that you would typically find in a business essay, but at least this is what we have to work with. So as we look at it, we see here in red, these are the main areas. First of all, we're talking about regular exercise program. It's kind of the thesis, if you wish. And what does it provide? It provides benefits, and there are three in particular. So let's go ahead and do a graphic organizing of it right now. Start in the center, and let's go ahead and use the title Regular Exercise Benefits. Now there are three, as we saw in the previous, in the first paragraph, there are three areas that we're going to look at. First is relieving tension. Second is improving appearance, and third is producing stamina. Now, what we're going to do is take these one at a time. The second paragraph, in this case, is relieves tension. Now, the second paragraph is actually the first body paragraph. This is what we're going to talk about, the first of the three. Now, in this one, we talk again about releasing tension, how it builds in the body, tension builds in the body, and how we can eliminate it by active sports. It also helps with petty irritations and frustrations. So let's go ahead and diagram this. Well, builds in the body, active sports, and again, irritation and frustration. Now again, these are just little thoughts, words, short phrases that help us remember, help us organize these thoughts we have. Moving on to the third paragraph, improving appearance. Again, here are the areas. It takes some time, maybe a month or longer. It helps reshape your physique, improves your physical or your skin tones, and it also helps provide confidence because of the others. So let's go ahead and put this one. As you can see, now we have four. We don't necessarily have three. We have the four subtopics. First is takes time, month or longer, reshapes your physique, skin tone, and finally confidence. Finally, we'll move on to the fourth paragraph, third body paragraph, which is producing stamina. Here again in red are the areas we're talking about, withstands normal fatigue, wards off illnesses, and improves your endurance. So let's go ahead and graphic organize this one out. Withstands normal fatigue, wards off illness, and improves endurance. Finally, last but not least, is the fourth paragraph, which is produces stamina. Now again, this is your closing, and it has an implied call for action, which means it doesn't tell you to do something, but it is suggested that you do it. So again, in every business essay, every business communique, we need a call for an action, either implied or expressed. So in this case, we're just going to go ahead and add off to the side somewhere. We'll just say conclusion. Now, as far as an outline is concerned, very simply, all we need to do now is take our graphic organizer topics and put them in an outline format, as you can see here. We'll start with the thesis statement or the topic sentence. Again, this should be the only complete sentence that you will have. Next, we'll have an opening, in this case, benefits of exercise. Then we move down into relieves tension, improves appearance, and it produces increased stamina, and finally our closing call for an action. Again, it is implied. Now again, this is the way I laid it out. Yours might look different. The point again is the outline is for you, the graphic organizer is for you to gather your thoughts and then put them into some format that you can transfer it into a written document that would make sense for the reader. That's about it for this short video. If you got any questions, let me know. Take care.